In the last video I used spool control to find information on user accounts. In this video the user has no special authority at all and cannot access such system information. Trying to just create those reports fails, and for obvious reasons. Next, the user could run the same commands by submitting a job. And by using a more powerful profile. To find one, the work user profile command can help, and this function here is a remote command version of it. I can see my own user and two more so-called unprotected user profiles where public has at least user authority, otherwise as a simple user I could not see them. One serves as honeypot, 2 million false sign-on attempts so far, and the one in the second line, I've prepared this user for the demonstration. It has all objects special authority, what is not too uncommon for an unprotected user profile. So I'll use this all object user. This time the first job was successfully submitted, but the second still failed. Not only for missing object authority as indicated, but in addition the command requires all object and also sec_rdm special authority. And that means I need a sec_offer class user profile. Here the previously generated print user profile report would be helpful. If it was accessible. But listing users and making an educated guess is always an option, and I don't even need to code, there's freeware. I picked this one. Of course, before I can submit the job, I need the unprotected profile grant me authority to command and user. Of course, without spool control I'm still unable to open the generated reports, and to upgrade myself, this time I'll use SQL. The remote command function. The script, instead of changing private authorities, it writes some commands into a source physical file, then makes the unprotected profile compile and execute the program. And obviously inside the program the unprotected profile can make qsec_joe upgrade my user. before, and after.